to stage.
Bonjour tout le monde. Very good morning, everyone, and thanks for your patience. It took me about 2 hours and a half to get here from the airport, so again, thank you very much for your patience. My name is Iana, and I'm the Chief Executive of Openpays. So, Openpays is all about saving a problem for businesses, a problem around access to payments and banking through a single integration. It is as simple as that. But before we go into that, I think it's probably worth talking about what problems are corporates facing today. And I guess in order to do that, we have to look at the evolution of the banking services in the last few years, and in particular the fact that there has been an increased regulatory oversight which essentially led to a number of industries being completely outlawed by traditional banks. In addition to that, I guess one of the issues that many corporates are facing today are the slow digital transformation of traditional banks, and as a result, the inadequate technology that those banks are offering. And I guess at the very end, there is the service limitations around currencies and countries, and I guess the level of customer care that traditional banks are offering. So what we're saying today is that we can offer access to all payments and banking services that a corporate needs through a single gate, whether that's web front end or a single API. How do we do that? Essentially, we are regulated in a number of jurisdictions across the board. We have more than 40 licenses. We're offering accounts and payments so that we can enable a business to receive money, transfer money, store money in a stored value account, transfer from one currency to another, or from fiat to a virtual currency, and then from there onwards send money out. We do all of that again through a single point of contact, through a single API or a single front-end access. As I said, our ambition is to offer global rails to corporate customers in order to service all of their payments and banking needs. We are regulated in multiple jurisdictions across Europe, as well as the United States, Canada, and Turkey, and about to expand into Asia as well. We are offering accounts in more than 25 currencies, and we are enabling currency conversion, fiat to fiat and fiat to crypto as well. Today we're servicing 300 enterprise customers with a particular focus around financial institutions, and by financial institutions I'm referring to acquiring banks, PSPs, FX brokers, marketplaces from a variety of industries such as travel and retail, as well as all sorts of new B2B, what we call new B2B2X ventures. Again, with the view of enabling them to grow quickly. Why? Because yes, they could in theory go out and get access to various banks, to various acquiring banks, to various payment partners, but the reality is that this is taking a lot of time, a lot of resource, and a lot of effort, and is distracting those customers from actually, and those businesses from focusing on what they do best, which is develop their own products and services. So our focus today is essentially to build a growing ecosystem with the view of enabling those clients to get the best currency conversion rate, say for the Nordic regions, or KYC in, say, Turkey, through a single point of contact, through a single API connection. So essentially what Openpays is all about is facilitating growth and expansion cross-border through a single API connection. Thank you very much.